Hi, I'm Brett Elliott and you're watching APMEX Answers. Today we're going to answer a question that came in from one of our customers about milk spotting. What is it? What causes it? And can you do anything to prevent it? Well, here I have a silver eagle that has some extensive milk spotting. And you can see it's not only on the reverse, but it's also on the obverse, and it is quite covered in it. Now, what causes milk spotting is still somewhat up for debate. You know, we hear a lot of theories online. We've seen a lot of attempted techniques to remove milk spotting. We have not found anything super compelling as of yet. And there's a little bit of debate, even amongst the mints, as to what causes the milk spotting. Some people claim borax is the cause, and then it goes through the burnishing process, doesn't quite get all off of there. And then through the minting process, this defect becomes apparent later when it reaches the customer. It definitely does not enhance the beauty, and it definitely does not enhance the value either. It's really unfortunate. It's difficult to spot when it's in its protective packaging. So when you first have your coins arrive in the mail, you may look at them, they may look fine, and then you open it up and you realize, oh, there's a problem. There is one mint that has produced a viable solution to preventing milk spotting, and that is the Royal Canadian Mint, which you can see right here. I have the silver maple leaf, beautiful 4/9 fine silver. And you'll see, I mean, this is a very, very shiny coin. It's actually difficult to just show you the luster on this on camera. You could probably see it a little bit in comparison to this, but it's very difficult to shoot just because of how reflective it is and how beautiful it is. Now, since 2018, the Royal Canadian Mint has introduced mint shield technology, which is supposed to prevent that milk spotting. Now, milk spotting, otherwise, throughout the other mints, we've not heard of yet anyone introducing a process or a guarantee to prevent it. So this may well be the only bullion coin out there that has such a guarantee and such a technology behind it. Curious to hear if you've had any experiences getting milk spotted coins. What are some things that maybe you tried to clean it off? I will say I have watched someone take a torch to their coin in order to get the milk spotting off, and that did not work. I don't recommend that you try that. But I'm curious to hear what kinds of solutions have you tried, and what coins did you see it on?